Hi everyone, and welcome to another video of the SAFI webinar series. In this video, we are going to have an overview of concentrated loads on members. To add any type of load on members, we use the command member loads. We select the tab Concentrated. First, we need to select the members that will receive the load, for example, this member. Next, we select a basic load. If the basic load is not yet created, we can click on this button, Define Basic Load. We then create a basic load here. We select a load type and we click OK. The basic load will be available in this list. Next, we specify the intensity of the force or the moment. For example, we apply a force in the global x direction of 50 kilonewtons. We click the button Add to add the loads to the model. Now we can see the load. You can see by default, the load will be on the first joint if we don't specify the distance. The distance parameter allows the user to position the load along the member. In this case, the member length is 500 millimeters. If we select the member again, then we can specify the distance of the load from the first joint I, and we click Add to add the load. This dialog box appears because I already added a concentrated load on this member. If I click on the button Add, the program will add another concentrated load at a 200 millimeter position from the start. If I click Overwrite, the software will delete the existing concentrated load of 50 kilonewtons and add a new one at this specific position. Let's select Overwrite in this case. By default, member loads will be applied on a global coordinate system. However, it is possible to apply this load using the internal coordinate system. If we click on the key N, we display the internal coordinate system of the member. So in this case, a load in the internal axis Y will correspond to a negative load in the global direction X. We select the member and then we click Add. Now we can see the moments around the internal axis X of the member. It is also possible to apply a concentrated load to the physical member. In this model, the physical member length is 5 meters. If we want to apply a load in reference to the physical member, we can select any member from the physical member and we check this box. After that, we specify the distance from the start of the physical member, for example, 2 meters, and we apply a force of 50 kilonewtons in the global coordinate system. Then we click Add. We can see the forces applied from a distance of 2 meters from the start of the physical member. When we apply a load on a physical member, if we subdivide or assemble a physical member, the load on the physical member will stay the same. It is possible to display the concentrated loads on members and physical members using these two buttons. The first one will display the concentrated member loads, and the second one will display the concentrated physical member loads. In this numerical table, the user can add, edit, or delete loads on members and physical members. Thank you for watching and catch you in another one of our webinar series videos.